I'm James Peters, a product manager here at Nureva, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Nureva Console, our secure, cloud-based platform that lets you monitor and manage your rooms from anywhere. You'll see how to enroll a device, check room status, get email alerts, update at scale, view analytics, and add users, all in just a few minutes. Nureva Console is included with purchase of any Nureva audio system. Let's get started by signing into Nureva Console. Then, select the room's dashboard, choose Enroll Device, and enter your enrollment code. You can now add room details like name, type, capacity, tags, and time zone. Then, click Save. Your system appears right away, ready for remote management. In the room's dashboard, you get a quick overview of all your spaces. You can see at a glance how many rooms are in good shape, how many have warnings, and how many have issues. This means you don't have to walk from room to room to check the status of your devices. Everything is right there. You can also use filters to prioritize what needs your attention first. If something changes, you won't be caught off guard. Nureva Console sends email alerts for issues like disconnected cables, offline devices, or available updates. You'll know right away and can act before users are affected. If you prefer, you can turn off alerts in user settings. If you need to fine-tune your settings, Nureva Console makes that easy as well. Just select the Nureva device and make adjustments without leaving your desk. You can choose speaker presets, tweak microphone settings, or run a calibration, all remotely. Need device details for a support ticket or inventory record? Go to Hardware and Network Info to see the software version, enrollment code, serial numbers, IP and MAC addresses, and warranty status. No more hunting for labels in the room. Keeping your devices up to date is also simple. You can update an individual device with one click or run a bulk update across many rooms, saving time and trips on site. If you hit an issue, you can restart the system or reset audio settings remotely. Need more help? Request support right from Nureva Console. Submitting a support request here means key details get passed to our support team automatically, which speeds up resolution. Next, let's look at Analytics and Insights. Open the Analytics view to see how your spaces are performing. You'll get background noise charts to spot rooms that may need acoustic treatment, usage data to identify popular setups, signal-to-noise ratio levels to guide tuning, and sound location charts. With this data, you can rank rooms across your organization based on performance. You can also reveal usage patterns. It's an easy way to find opportunities to optimize layouts or plan investments based on real data. Managing user access is just as simple. Go to Users, click Invite User, enter their email, and send the invite. You can fine-tune user settings, including email preferences, so each person gets the right notifications. And that's Nureva Console. Remote management, intelligent monitoring, and essential analytics all in one place. To explore all the features of Nureva Console, create your free account at console.nureva.com. And of course, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos.